Introduction. Computers provide accurate and precise information, manage production processes, and are extensively used by engineers, designers, architects, scientists, business executives, managers, administrators, accountants, teachers, and students for its efficient outputs and flexibility of work. Computers in industry have helped in process automation and business systems like computer-aided design (CAD) and computer-aided manufacturing (CAM) software programs. The ability of computers has helped business organizations to store and maintain voluminous records. They have been used to store large amount of data and has led to their application in libraries, documentation centers, employment exchanges, stock exchanges, hospitals, and other various establishments.